Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today again we will show you how to make different beautiful crafts with different beautiful methods. So at first we are making a boy and a girl sitting on the cloud with some chocolates and some flowers. You can see we have made the face of the boy and the girl. Next we have made some balloons and we have also added some toffees and some flowers. Next we will use some clay and we will spread it on the paper as shown in the video. We are making a peacock. You can see how good it is looking after decorating the feathers of the peacock. Next we'll make the body and the peacock is ready now. Next we have made the vase with the paper and we have also added some decoratives and texture to the vase. Next we will use some different color clay and we'll spread it on the paper to make the cactus. We have also added some flowers to the cactus. You can see how good it is looking now. Next again we have made the vase with the paper and now we will use our hands to spread the clay on the paper to make the flower. You can see how good and how real the flowers are looking. We will make the stem with the marker and we will also add some leaves. Next we are using some color to make a baby panda on the paper. You can see how we are coloring it to make the eyes and also we are spreading the colors to make panda look more furry. You can see how we have made the face and the panda is ready now. Now we will use some different color to make the bamboo and you can see how good it is looking. Next we are making some ships and we are making the eyes with the marker. Now we will use some clay to make the furry part or you can say the hairs of the ship. Now we will make the grass and we will also add some flowers. Now we are making some leaves. We have made it with the paper and we have pasted it on the base. Now we will use marker to make different leaves and we will also make some flowers. We have cutted it on a paper and we are pasting it on the base. Next we will make the stem with the marker and we will use some clay to make the ladybug. Now we are using some paper and some paper or plastic plate to make tiger face. You can see how we have made the body. Now we'll make the legs of the tiger and we'll also add the tail. Now we are using the marker to make the stem of a tree and we will use the marker. You can use pen also. Next we will use the clay to make the flowers and we will use a pen to make the texture of the flower. And you can see how we have made the flowers and the tree. We will also add some leaves to it with the clay. Now you can see how good it is looking after adding the leaves and the flowers. Now again we will make the face of an animal. We are using the clay to make the eyes, nose and the mustache. And you can see we have also added some flowers to the ears to make it look more funny. Next the craft is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video.